Hi, it's Dr. Minhas again. So I've been using the Brusheva brush for about 1 week now, so I'll let you know how I've been getting on with it. So these are the brushes I've been using previously, which are quite popular brands which you may recognise. So first of all, obviously it looks a little bit more slick, a little bit more fancy. Quite nice to hold, it's quite light in the hand actually, compared to the others. But it's not all about how it looks, obviously, it's about how it functions as well, because ultimately it needs to brush your teeth well and remove all the plaque. There's no gap where the brush head attaches to the body of the brush, unlike on this one. Which is all the way down, but it has an annoying gap, so you tend to get a bit of toothpaste stuck under there and it can get a bit dirty and needs cleaning. So the brush heads on these are specially designed apparently so they're not too abrasive on the gums, and they do feel slightly soft, but I think you can get different grades of brush, but it does help prevent any damage to your gums by pressing too hard. It also has a pressure sensor built in as well. But another thing to compare is also the noise. If you listen to this one, it's quite fairly silent. Then compare that to this one. And when you've been used to using one of these for a few years and then you suddenly use this one, especially late at night, this does seem excessively loud. And the problem with this one is sometimes when you're trying to reach the very back teeth, the head is a bit long. So sometimes it's a bit hard with this one to reach the back, whereas the head on this one is slightly shorter. So it's a bit easier to get to the very back. Because of the sonic frequency, it does creates little air bubbles, which does help really get rid of the plaque. So yeah, overall I would recommend this to the patients if they were looking to get an electric toothbrush.